Hello and welcome to the Alpha channel. This is Dr. Divya Srivastav. You can call me Diva. I'm from India. I'm a trained astrologer, numerologist, Vastu consultant, Reiki healer, sound healer, tarot and psychic reader. And today I'm doing the Cancerian reading for the month of May 2024 with the combination of Vedic astrology, numerology, and tarot psychic reading. So, Cancerian. I will start your reading with the planetary position. First of all, on 14th, after the 14th of May, Sun will transit in your uh, 11th house. So, and there in Taurus, and also Jupiter is also there, and Venus will join this your 11th house after 19th of May, on or after the 19th May. So I'm doing the prediction on the base of the natural horoscope. So in your chart it might be differently displayed and might be aspecting some malefic planets are also aspecting your 11th house. So it depends on person to person, but I am doing a collective reading, so I will take the natural horoscope. So Jupiter and Venus and Sun will be in your 11th house, and that means if we talk about the Jupiter, it's a best place for your in your horoscope, because it will give you clear picture about who's who, because you will gain the knowledge, you will acquire the knowledge, you will come to know about the about, so you will meet some kind of guru, you will meet some senior people who will guide you, and you that knowledge will give you certain kind of certain kind of idea that who is who, and who is coming towards you with which kind of intention. And this is also a good time for your financial growth and opportunity, although the Saturn is in the Mool Trikon, and it might be you will feel that no, it's not a good, it's not a financial gain, I'm getting delay, I'm getting I'm trying my level best to get the financial growth, and trying to search a new job, but I'm not getting because of the Saturn is in Mool Trikon. It might be delay, but certainly you will get a new job. Don't be confused, you will get a new job. It is really a bit slow, but yes, this is the end of a painful cycle. You are going to get a new job and new opportunity, and this is the best time for you. If we talk about your finance, you might buy a new car, you might travel also to meet the in-laws, I mean the father or mother of your child with their parents. You can go and you can meet them. If you are going for certain kind of competitive exam, yes, you will go and you will pass that exam also, because it's in your third natural house, the in Virgo, the south node, that is Ketu is there, and Ketu is giving you kind of obstacles in your communication, and also giving you the lack of confidence. So might be you will feel that whatever I want to communicate with the people are not getting it, and that's why there is a miscommunication, something like that, a misunderstanding. But no, it will be resolved easily. Reason being, Jupiter is aspecting Ketu, your third house, so that will give you kind of light, that will give you the insight about the things, or company even. You can go through with that also. Or might be if you are studying, you are pursuing some kind of education, you will be very much involved in that subject. You will, or whatever you are dealing with, definitely you will go with the clear picture, and you will your hard work, because of your hard work and because of your understanding and because of your patience, people will recognize you and people will appreciate you. You will also get the job. This is the high time, because new beginning, if you are searching for a job, you will get it. If you want to quit a job and you want to go for another job, you will get. If you want to pursue some kind of competitive exam, you want, and you can go for through that, yes, you will get financial abundance is there. As Mars and Rahu, that is north node, is in your, they are in your ninth house. So be careful, because you might be you might be you will go to see some patient. You might meet a person who is very much ill, and unfortunately you will lose them actually. That's why I stop. So these are the planetary position. And also this time you will feel better. You will feel that all the relationship with your partner, co-worker and superior will improve. You will give justice to them also, and you will be blessed. But if you are not seeing the impact of your malefic planet in your personal chart and dasha of the particular planet, that means the period of planet in your chart, for example from 2020 to 2024 Saturn will rule your chart. So that means it might be slow or different in your personal life. But if I see the natural horoscope, definitely all the planets are giving you kind of success. You will get the success also. Success is coming in your way because Jupiter is very much at a good place in the in 11th house. Also it's a wish fulfillment. You will get something what you wish for a long time of period. If you are married, you might meet your in-laws or you will travel to meet them. And also take care of your mother health. Yeah, this is very important. Yes, 100%, that is very good time for you, and time is turning in your favor. So overall this month is very good for you. You have to take care of your health, your parent health also. If somebody is really very ill, you go and meet that person, right? Because you might lose them. So that's why your intuition will tell you what to do, what not to do. So just follow your intuition, and whatever you are manifesting, new job, definitely you are going to go, you are going to get new job. If you want to quit the job, you want to join a new job, you are searching a new job, you will get. If you don't have job at all, you will get some kind of proposal from somewhere or from the previous company if you left that company, right? And also just you are working on your savings, right? Because Venus is also there. So when Venus, Sun or Jupiter they are together in one house, you will feel that financially it is a good thing, but might be you will feel that your partner, if you have the partner, is a very much dominating you, strategically working with you, might be controlling you, having a control issue. So just take care of that. And you will also work on your inheritance, and you can buy a car, but don't, or might be you will also purchase a kind of land if you want to invest. If we talk about your overseas connection, there is a high chance to go to overseas, related with your work, not for the travel. And also might be the overseas people will connect with you for certain period of time, for some task, for some project, or some online work. It is not for the travel you will do, but it is a very road travel is on the card. So overall this is very good. Sun is exalted in your 10th house till 10th of May. It is very good time. And after 14 also the Venus will join your wish fulfillment chart. So that's really very good. The key for success is work hard, and that is very important. Because even if you are feeling that everything is delaying, this is not true, this is not going to happen, it will happen. Definitely you are going to get the success, but hard work is very much important. See, if we talk in general about the Cancerian, like when I am teaching the Vedic astrology, I am telling the students that the Cancerian have always the problem with the salary. They never satisfied with the salary whatever they are getting, and they never satisfied with their home. Oftenly they are trying to renovate or change their home, or they are not satisfied in any at any point. They are not satisfied at their home. Maybe you are changing your home after 13-14 years, it's okay, but you are changing it. and not all the zodiac sign are not doing this. Oftenly Cancerian are doing that, because they have very they are very moody, because moon is ruling your mood, and once moon is ruling your mood, it is unpredictable. So that's why take the advantage of this good time which is coming in your favor, and definitely take the advantage. uh, if you can get the blessings of your elders, definitely take the blessings of your elder. Go and see the people or the relative who is not well at all, who is really old, having old age or old age problem. Go and see them, because there is a high chance of losing someone very near and dear. Financially wise, financially this month is really very good for you. In relationship, your partner will dominate you, and if you are talking about the job, definitely you will get. So all the best, Cancerian, for the month of May, and I will meet you again with another prediction, Alpha Tarot family, tomorrow with the uh, Leo people. And till that time, signing off. This is Diva from India. Join my another channel, Scienceopedia, which is a bilingual channel, Hindi and English, where I am doing every day uh, live reading between 10:30 to 11 p.m. Indian Standard Time. There you can join, you can ask free question, and the reading will be in Hindi and English. You can buy a super chat over there, and you can get the quick answer also, or you can book the personal session with me through 9560300572, which is my WhatsApp number. My country code is +91, and also you can write me alpha channel1@gmail.com. Okay, thank you very much. Signing off now, and all the best, Cancerian, and I will meet you tomorrow with another reading, Leo. So if your date of birth falls under the under according to Western astrology, if it is between May between June 21st to July 21st, you are under the sign of Cancer according to the Western astrology. But if your name start with H, if your name start with H or D, that means he or who or he or who. Your name start with the Helen, name start with the Hugo, name start with the Hina, name start with the Dolly or Doll or Dima or Dure or Damo or Doraemon. So that means you are under the sign of Cancerian according to Vedic astrology. Okay, so this is how you can watch this reading. I hope you will enjoy this short reading, and if you have any question, you can write me on my WhatsApp number or in the comment box, and I will definitely try to answer your question. Thank you. Bye.